Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you what to do if Cash App blocks a payment. Sometimes, Cash App may stop a payment for security reasons, wrong information, or missing verification. Here's how you can fix it. Step 1. Check for notifications. Open Cash App and look for alerts or messages. They usually explain why the payment was blocked and how to fix it. Step 2. Verify your account. Make sure your full name, birthday, and social security number are correct. Go to your profile and update anything that's missing. Step 3. Review your payment method. Check if your link card or bank account has enough funds. If you updated your information recently, double-check that it's saved correctly. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. Still stuck? Tap your profile icon, go to support, then choose Start a Chat or the issue you're facing. You can also call them if needed. Step 5. Account issues to look out for. Verification. You might need to finish verifying your account. Security hold. Cash App can temporarily freeze payments due to suspicious activity. This usually clears in 24 to 48 hours. International transfers. These require full verification. Step 6. Other things to try. Check your internet connection. Update the app to the latest version. Look out for subscription issues like auto-renewals or canceled plans. And that's it. That's what you can do if your Cash App payment gets blocked. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.